first of all, very good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. And today we are going to discuss on the topic Makar Sankranti. So one by one, everyone will come and discuss on this topic. So wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. And I'm I'm starting this topic. So as we know that Makar Sankranti is celebrated on every 12 of the January, and on this day it is 14 of the January. It is believed to be that on this day Lord Vishnu defeated a demon known as Sankarasur, and we also wear and eats yellow colors, and it is dedicated to Lord Surya, who is the sun god. And we flies we flies kite in the sky, and we also make tilgud laddu, puran poli, and many more in our house. People like to wear yellow on this day, but it is not it is not permanent to wear it, but it is dedicated to Lord Surya, and people celebrate this day with a lot of joy and happiness. Thank you. Next, I'm inviting Kush.
So according to me, Makar Sankranti is celebrated on 14th of January, and it is very famous festival of January that most of the childrens like this festival because they can fly kites, and they can do parties and etc. Many competitions are also held on this festival, mm, like uh, mm, like mm, ki- mm, like kites competition, and many competitions are held. So now I would like to invite Harsh.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. I am Harshil. I am actually presenting a topic Sankranti, and I am telling you how I celebrate Makar Sankranti. So first, I wake up early in the morning. Then I refresh myself. Then I go to uh, temple, and then I go to market to purchase kites, and then I eat laddus, and after I go to fly kite, and that's all about my topic. Now I want to invite Paridhi.
Good evening, everyone. I am Pariti, and I am going to tell you about how do we celebrate Makar Sankranti. So we celebrate Makar Sankranti with lots of joy and happiness. First of all, we take baths, and the people who lives in Varanasi and like Haridwar, so where the river Ganga flows, there the people take bath in the rivers, and then they give tributes to Lord Surya, and so many children also of try to fly kites and etc. And on this day, our mother made the so many sweets, like mainly the laddus of til and jaggery is made, and we celebrated with lots of joy and happiness. Now I would like to invite Shrey.
So first of all, I would like to wish you happy Makar Sankranti, and it is a very famous festival for the Hindu religion, and it is celebrated every year on the date of 14 January, and it is very famous festival. On this day, many people like to wear the yellow dress because it is just they think means it is just become a tradition to they wear yellow dresses, and on this day the people used to like to fly the kites, and they also just eats laddus. And now I would like to invite Harshit.
First of all, good evening, everyone. I am telling about Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a Hindu festival that is celebrated with very goodly, and on this day, we worship the Lord Vishnu, and also Saraswati, because he is the queen of our study and knowledge, and also on this day we wear yellow clothes and eat laddus. Thank you. Now I would like to invite Manvi.
Okay, so hello everyone. So Makar Sankranti is a famous Hindu festival celebrated on 14th January. It is a festival dedicated to sun god Surya. It is very famous festival in Hindus. On this day, the people believed that they are yellow, so it is very good sign to this day. And also on this day, our mothers made some sweets made up of til and jaggery. And also some people decorated their home with the flowers and some rangolis. And especially the people live in Banaras and Prayagraj believe that on this day, if we take a bath in the holy river Ganga, so their all sins and all the bad works are totally washed by taking a bath in the river. Thank you. That's all from me. Now I want to invite Yashraj.
So let's start. So I will tell you. So first I will tell you when we celebrate Makar Sankranti. We celebrate Makar Sankranti on 14 January, and on this day, many people also go to river to take bath. Uh, to take bath, and many people also make sweets like laddu and other things, and most of the people think that we should always wear yellow clothes on Makar Sankranti, but it is not permanent for Makar Sankranti and other of the festivals. And and uh, ma- uh, and many of the person also like to fly kites and play with their friends and and other people, and many people do competitions and other things. That's all about from me. Now I want to invite Ishika.
So, good evening, all of you. I am Ishika. So, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Makar Sankranti is a Hindu festival that celebrates the sun's transition into Capricorn. People fly kite, and people decorate their home with geometric patterns, and they take bath in holy river Ganga to wash all their sins. And uh, uh, and we made the laddu of jaggery and til, and it remarks the end of winter season and start to harvest season. Thank you. Now I would like to invite Shivans.
So Makar Sankranti is a famous Hindu culture, and this is on January 14 date, and this is a famous for flying kites. Children's like flying kites, and in this day many pupils wear a yellow clothes, and in our home our mother and our parents make tilgur laddu and other sweets, and childrens like this day, and many pupils think that we can bath in Ganga and holy rivers, so our bad work and bad things was washed in. So that's all. I want to invite Samyak.
So first I wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. So now I am starting my topic. So Makar Sankranti is the famous festival of India and also the famous festival of Hindu. I think that there are also many religions celebrate this festival, and it is famous for flying kites. On this day, many children and also elders flying kites, and in our home, our family members or our mother make us sweets of tin and jaggery, and I and many people believe that it is on this day we should wear yellow clothes, and I also hear that and on early morning many people go to river also take a bath. So that's not about from me. Now I want to invite Siddharth.
The word Makar Sankranti is made up of two words. Makar means Capricorn and Sankranti means transition, which marks the sun transition into Capricorn. That's all. Now I want to invite Purvi.
Makar Sankranti is a festival celebrated in January month, and it spread unity and togetherness. In this day, we bathing in river and lakes, and we flies kite, and we eat sweets, and etc. Do many things. Thank you. That's all. Next, I am inviting Arnav.
So Makar Sankranti is major Hindu festival. We celebrate it very happiness and joyful. It comes in every January month 14 or 15, and in this day is famous for flying kites, and we worship God. That's all about.